So right now, the main apps that you guys get, the only apps, if you didn't import any of your personal apps in here, are these. And that's it. There are no more apps that come pre-installed on your iPad. If you guys want more apps, social media apps, go into the App Store. And especially social media apps, those will be free. There's a bunch of them free. So go on and do that. But as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys want to see the manual of how to go on and use your iPad, I do have a manual for it. So make sure to check out that video. And that would be it for this one. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.